In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a footer only on the last page in Microsoft Word. This is a useful formatting technique when you want to add specific information, such as a signature, note, or reference, without affecting the rest of your document. To begin, open your Word document and scroll down to the last page where you want the footer to appear. Before adding the footer, it's important to separate this page from the rest of the document. To do that, place your cursor at the end of the page just before the last page. Then go to the Layout tab at the top of the screen, click on Breaks, and under Section Breaks, choose Next Page. This creates a new section starting on the last page. Now that your last page is in a separate section, scroll down and double-click in the footer area of that page to activate it. You'll notice that the header and footer tools appear on the ribbon. At this point, look for the option called Link to Previous. By default, this setting is turned on, which means the footer is connected to the previous section. Click on Link to Previous to turn it off. This step is very important because it ensures that any changes you make to the footer on the last page will not affect the rest of the document. Once the link is removed, you can now add your footer content. Type in whatever information you want to appear only on the last page, such as text, page numbers, or any custom message. You can also format the text using the Home tab to match the style of your document. After entering your footer content, click anywhere outside the footer area to return to your normal document view. You'll now see that the footer appears only on the last page, while the earlier pages remain unchanged. This method works because section breaks allow you to apply different formatting to different parts of your document. By separating the last page into its own section and unlinking it from the previous one, you gain full control over what appears in that specific area. And that's it. You've successfully added a footer that appears only on the last page of your document. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.